Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now jumping straight into this one, this is the entry point EA listed here on the MQL5 Marketplace, priced at 799 US dollars for the full purchase. I can also see rental options available 1 month going for 100 US dollars, 3 months going for 199 US dollars, and 6 months going for 399 US dollars, which gives traders a bit more flexibility depending on how long they want to test it before committing fully. So from the page here, I can confirm that this EA supports both MT4 and MT5. All right, so I'll be reviewing it with that in mind throughout this walkthrough. Scrolling through the description, the developer presents entry point EA as a scalping system that focuses on identifying what it calls safe entry points. All right, and that is during calmer market conditions. So it says here that the EA is the advanced scalping system which utilizes smart entry and exit algorithms with sophisticated filtering methods to identify only the safest entry points during calm periods of the market. Well, um, so the emphasis here is more on structured, rule-based execution rather than aggressive or overly complex trading behavior. Now, one important thing mentioned is that the EA is designed to run on a VPS 24 hours a day, which suggests it is built for continuous market monitoring rather than occasional activation. Now, looking at the practical side of usage, the EA is recommended for XAU USD and GBP USD, and the suggested time frames are M1 and M5. So already we can see that this is designed for lower time frame execution, which usually means more frequent decision making and tighter market sensitivity. All right, so the developer also highlights different setup configurations depending on account size, starting from smaller accounts around 100 US dollars all the way to larger 1K account setups. So these settings include variations in lot size, stop loss, take profit, and grid levels, which gives users some structured starting points rather than fully manual configuration. There is also an important requirement mentioned here. The EA is intended for hedging accounts, and the developer advises using brokers with low spreads and slippage, particularly during volatile periods like rollover. So execution quality seems to be a key part of how this system is expected to behave. Okay, now moving into the installation guidance, I can see the EA is meant to be attached to only one M1 chart with XAU USD being the recommended symbol. There is also a note about symbol suffixes, which is important because some brokers modify instrument names and that could affect how the EA reads market data. At this point, the features start to come together as a structured scalping system with strict entry filtering, designed to operate continuously under specific market conditions rather than across all environments. Now, moving into the backtesting section, I'm going to shift over to the historical chart results and evaluate how the EA performed during the testing period. All right. What stands out during the historical data is how the EA appears to focus heavily on timing entries during lower volatility phases, which aligns with the idea of a calmer market filter mentioned earlier. Okay, so the activity is not random. trades tend to cluster in certain periods rather than being evenly distributed across the chart. And based on my observation, this EA, seems to be the type that can hold trades for long. Okay, even though this is the M5 time frame, right? So each candle represents 5 minutes, but we can see that when a trade is executed, in this case, I think this should be executed and closed within the same candle. But we can see that this particular trade kind of lasted for a while. Okay, maybe because it was a losing trade. Okay, I think this was executed and closed here, and then another one executed, and well, this was a losing trade. Another losing trade again. Okay, but I can see that the EA can hold trades for quite a while. Okay, a sell trade was executed here. That was a profitable one, and it was also held for a while. All right, and there are notable spacing between the positions. Okay, so when reviewing the execution flow, you can see that position handling appears structured around controlled entry and exit zones, which is consistent with a scalping approach using predefined risk parameters like stop loss and take profit levels. It's also important to point out that these are historical backtest results, and performance can look very different depending on broker conditions, spread quality, slippage, and the exact risk settings used. Even small changes in lot size or execution environment can significantly impact how a system like this behaves in real trading conditions. Okay, I would also recommend running longer term historical testing yourself so you can see how it behaves across different market phases, not just a single test period. That gives a much clearer picture of stability over time. So now looking at the results themselves, we can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was just 236.93. 100 total trades we are taking, 60 were short trades with 50% win rate, 40 were long trades with 60% win rate. And then I can also see that the largest profit was 273.42, largest loss was 568.23, average profit 68.86, average loss 75.69. So that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough, and the win rate is also not really good enough, although it's not so bad, but it's not good enough. No wonder that we had just a little net profit when you compare it with the initial deposit. Okay, but remember that these are just historical backtest results. Okay, stepping back from the chart, the overall structure here suggests a system built around disciplined scalping with strict entry logic running on low time frames with continuous monitoring via VPS. The key takeaway from this historical analysis is that while the EA is designed for structured execution, real world performance will still depend heavily on how it is configured and the trading environment it runs in. So overall, the entry point EA for MT4 and MT5 is positioned as a rule-based scalping system with predefined setups, stronger broker dependency considerations, and the focus on controlled entry conditions rather than high-risk experimental strategies. So before considering any live usage, I would still strongly suggest testing different configurations and running extended forward and historical tests to understand how it behaves under your own trading conditions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.